The Financial Accounting Standard Board changed how you act with Bitcoin on the books. Yeah, so maybe for folks that don't know that change, that was a big change, especially for larger companies, everyone, but especially larger companies. So what happened there? What did that mean for the industry, for companies that have Bitcoin on the books and Bitcoin native?
So anyone who's adopting Bitcoin from today forward, you probably should ignore this part, but the history behind it, 2024, last year, Bitcoin, or accountants for some reason decided to treat Bitcoin as an intangible asset, which just on the surface sounds fine. But from an accounting standpoint, what an intangible asset means is essentially you could only ever write it down and you can't write it back up. And so that means if you bought Bitcoin at 50,000 and it went down to 25,000, you would always hold that Bitcoin on your books at 25,000. Without getting into intangible assets, that actually makes sense for what then they use intangible assets for, but it clearly doesn't work for Bitcoin.
Right.
And so finally, there was enough pressure, enough people using Bitcoin, adopting Bitcoin, and we're like, this doesn't make sense.
Right.